The workshop of the mind imagination is your mind's powerhouse, where dreams transform into plans and ideas take shape. It's here that the spark of desire ignites action. Anything you can vividly imagine, you can create, because imagination is limitless, and so are you. Our fast-paced world is the perfect environment to supercharge your imagination. Look around. Every breakthrough, every innovation, every masterpiece was born in someone's mind. In the last 50 years alone, humanity has unlocked more of nature's secrets than in all of history combined. We've conquered the skies, mastered the invisible forces of communication, and even weighed and measured the sun millions of miles away. But here's the truth. The only limits you face are those you place on yourself. Your imagination holds infinite potential you may not yet have fully tapped into. Two forms of imagination. One, synthetic imagination. This is where you combine existing ideas, experiences, and knowledge into new creations. It's a tool inventors and problem solvers rely on daily. But sometimes, solving a challenge requires more than just rearranging the pieces. That's when you need the second, more powerful form. 2. Creative imagination. This is your direct line to the infinite mind, the source of intuition, inspiration, and groundbreaking ideas. Through creative imagination, you can access thoughts beyond your own, connect with universal knowledge, and even resonate with the minds of others. It's the birthplace of genius. Creative imagination doesn't just happen. It's activated by a burning desire, a goal that sets your mind on fire. The stronger your desire, the more powerful your imagination becomes. And like any muscle, the more you use it, the stronger it grows. The power to shape your reality. Desires are the seeds of achievement. But on their own, they're just fleeting thoughts, intangible, without weight or form. To make them real, you must channel them through the power of your imagination and take inspired action. Every great leader, artist, entrepreneur, and innovator in history mastered their imagination. They didn't wait for inspiration. They trained their minds to create, and so can you. Your imagination is the gateway to your dreams. Use it, strengthen it, and watch as your boldest desires turn into reality. The only limit is how far you're willing to dream. Now, imagine what's possible, and make it happen. The process of turning desire into wealth is a transformation that begins in your mind. Your imagination is the bridge, the force that transforms invisible thought into physical reality. To achieve success, you must master this tool. You'll rely heavily on synthetic imagination, using it to organize ideas and shape plans. But don't underestimate the power of creative imagination. It's the spark that ignites innovation and unlocks possibilities when conventional methods fall short. If your creative imagination feels dormant, don't worry, it hasn't disappeared. Like a fire waiting for fuel, it will roar to life the moment you choose to use it. Desire is not enough on its own. To bring it to life, you need a crystal-clear plan, a roadmap designed with purpose. When you commit your desire and plan to paper, you take the first definitive step toward transformation. This is the moment when your thoughts begin to take on physical form, when an abstract dream starts to solidify into reality. Everything around you, every object, every achievement, every ounce of wealth, once existed only as a thought. The same universal laws that created the world are at your command. Your desire, fueled by the energy of thought and directed by imagination, holds the power to shape your destiny. You are working with the same creative forces that built planets, lit the stars, and gave life to humanity. These forces are not reserved for the few. They are available to anyone with the courage to believe and act. Don't be discouraged if this feels overwhelming at first. Mastery doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence, clarity, and unwavering belief, you will unlock your potential. Others have done it. You can too. Take action now. Write your desire. Form your plan. Start building the life you envision. The universe responds to bold decisions, and your imagination is the engine that will drive your success. Have you ever questioned the limits of your mind? What if the power you seek already resides within you? Imagine being able to connect with others not just through words, but through pure thought, breaking the barriers of distance and time. This isn't fantasy. It's the untapped potential of telepathy. Now, think about seeing the future, grasping solutions, and making decisions with clarity beyond logic. Clairvoyance is not a miracle. It's the mastery of focus, belief, and a higher understanding of the universe. The key lies in the principles of faith and self-discipline. Your mind is a powerful tool, capable of achieving the impossible when aligned with unshakable belief. To unlock these abilities, start by training your thoughts. Refuse to accept failure as final. Reprogram your mind with affirmations that amplify your potential. I am connected to infinite intelligence. I see solutions where others see obstacles. My belief creates miracles. Success begins with your belief. Your vision shapes your destiny. Refuse doubt. Master your thoughts. Take control. You are capable of greatness. You are destined to win. Begin now. The power is yours.